Okay guys, I'm making a video to clear up one of my last vlogs about not having true friends. Now, I guess I wasn't very specific on the friends that I was talking about, and just so that I can clear a couple of things up, people who I was not talking about were Shadow, Forever and a Day, and also simply Jamie. Now you two, I wasn't talking about you guys, so please don't get all offended with me. I wasn't saying anything about you guys, and especially not you, Jamie, because I know that all the stuff that went on in the past wasn't your fault, and I know you couldn't say anything about anything, so I wasn't, talking about you. I was talking about all the other people during that time. And also, Shadow, Forever and a Day, I'm really sorry for not being specific on all the stuff. All the things I said were not pointed at you. The point that you didn't like my boyfriend currently, that was sort of pointed at you just a tiny bit. And the fact that you, well, not the fact, but also when I said that someone, like my friends, don't listen to me all that much, that was kind of pointed at you, but not exactly, because I know you listen to me more than the rest of my friends do, and you're really stubborn sometimes, and it's hard to get through to your head, or you just have to wait till a vulnerable moment in order to get through to you. But I know you do listen to me, and I'm sorry for not being specific on the friends who I was talking about during the time. But simply Jamie and Shadow, Forever and a Day, I wasn't talking about you guys. So please don't get all offended and mad at me. I realize that this video might have made a lot of people very angry, but that's okay. This video may have made a lot of people very angry, but I didn't mean to make them angry if they did see this, and it was just kind of explaining to my audience a sort of situation I am going through currently with a select few of my friends. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or you need anything clarified, please contact me. Send me a message on my channel and I will get back to you and answer any questions that you have. Thank you. Bye.